First step is what? Okay. Next.
Go.
Good, Blake. Next.
Crawl back up. Crawl back up. There you go. Nice job. Nice job.
Hey,
safe.
I'm really trying to lay that one on you. Dad saved your face too.
Hey, I thought broken rib. I'm like, Patty, turn the camera off.
And he hesitated. Looking at left. Next, let's go.
Let's go. Come on. Let's start working through this. Let's go. 07.
You owe me a slide step. Way too late. You ready? I know it's tough. Get it.
Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. Crawl back up, crawl back up. Nice job. Nice. Hands off your knees.
Hey, is that your sister?
Oh!
Got him.
Hey, don't ever talk to the pitcher. Don't ever talk to the pitcher. If he starts talking to you, don't answer.
I might just hit you on purpose.
No.
Go to your knees, you didn't dive. Let's go.
You can't dive.
Close enough. Let's go. Keep it going.
Let's go. Hey. Good job. Quit going to your knees.
What are we looking at? Front heel. Get
Another
aggressive.
one.
Ready?
Another one.
Good.
There we go. Good job.